Sentence writing, starting with simple sentences. Simple sentences. Simple sentences consist of one independent clause. What is an independent clause? An independent clause is a group of words that makes a complete statement and has at least one subject and one verb. To see if you have a sentence, first you need to find the verb, action or state of being word. Then ask who or what verb to see if you have a subject. Bob jumps. Self, is that a sentence? And if it is it a simple sentence? Well, I don't know. Let's see. Do we have a verb? Jumps. And then what do we ask to find the subject? Who or what jumps? Do we have an answer? Yes. Yes, we do. Your subject is Bob. Bob jumps is a simple sentence, and it has one independent clause. Group of words that makes a complete statement and has at least one subject and one verb. SV is the first sentence formula for simple sentences. And then moving on, we have SSV. SSV means subject, subject, verb. What's the verb? Jump. Who or what jump? Bob and Sue. Subject, subject, verb. And it says, notice the compound subject. That means there are two, or more than one subject. S, S, but just one V. Moving on, SVV. Subject, verb, verb. You have a compound verb, more than one verb. Look for action or state of being. Jumps, falls. Who or what jumps and falls? Bob. Subject, subject, verb. And then the fourth simple sentence type, simple sentences. Bob and Sue jump and fall. Again, look for action or state of being. Jump, fall. Who or what jump and fall? Bob. Good old Bob and Sue. Bob and Sue. It's a crazy looking S. You have a compound subject and a compound verb. Notice with a compound subject, the two subjects are together. In a compound verb, the two verbs are together. It's not subject, verb, subject, verb. It's S, S, V, V. Two subjects, two verbs together, separated by and. But the subjects are together and the verbs are together. Here are some example sentences for practice. We'll do the first two together. You are tall. Action or state of being. We have state of being this time. Are. Who or what are tall? Tall is a predicate adjective describing you. Who or what are tall? You. Subject, verb. Simple sentence. The dog and cat are running fast. There's a verb phrase there, right? Are running. When you have more than one verb working together, you make that little arc there over them, and you put a V above them. Are running. Who or what are running fast? Dog and cat. So the formula for this one is SSV. Even though there are two verbs working together, it's a verb phrase. There's no and in between it, so it's not SSVV, it's SSV. Take a look at the next one. The next one will help clarify that example. The Gatorade spilled and ran over the floor. Look for the verbs first. Spilled, ran. Notice they're separated by and. That's a difference from the other one that we just did. And is in the middle. Up above there, there's no and. Who or what spilled and ran over the floor? Gatorade. This one is SVV. And if you'd like, you can finish the rest of them, bring them on in, and I can check them in class if you'd like. Watch out for number 8. It's tricky.